All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 33,491 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Alignment feels perfect. I don't see any shakes or shimmies in this wheel. Nice and smooth. And hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid. The steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy when you apply the brakes. Shifts so smooth. Tons of power. You can definitely tell it wants to get up and go. No complaints with the drivability, very nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, you do have some curb rash around the edge. Being a gloss black wheel though, that's a very simple fix. Looking at the calipers in there, looks good. 295/30/22s, Continentals, date code 2019. Looking at the fender, little bug etching right there. So bugs, when they splatter on the front, you leave them on, they kind of etch into the clear just a little bit. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. Being white though is very hard to see. A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, you do have a little scuff here, some little spots, and once again some little bird poop kind of etching into that clear. If you look right here, there is a scratch down the door, all the way down, and so I do feel that with my nail. It's very light right here, but let's get up close. You can see that. Kind of disappears in the paint. Now follow my hand here, and I see it all the way down. And I see one right here, and then you're gonna see it right there. Looks like somebody keyed it, and they just made their way all the way down. And so looking here, you see that kind of catches my nail. Unfortunately, someone was kind of jealous, it sounds like. So right there, you can hear that on my nail, just kind of following it. And they double tapped it here. So it looks like it kind of goes down the whole thing. With it being white though, it does blend in a couple feet away. You're not gonna see it. Unfortunately, it is there though. Lower side looks good. You do have some rash around that wheel. Looking at the hood, that looks good. Typical rock impacts. You're gonna have some chips on that gloss black trim. And then you do have chips kind of peppered in this area. You're gonna see some down low. All very common with the miles. A few more there. Upper section looks good, nice and clean. This wheel does have a lot of rash all the way around it, but once again, being a gloss black wheel, they can sand that down and then repaint. This all looks good. Side mirror, overall really clean. Looking at that door, I don't see any scratches or anything there. You're gonna have a couple rock chips here and there. And right there I do see a light scuff in the paint. Very subtle though, you gotta be in the perfect lighting. Chip there, a little bit of rash on that wheel. That deck lid looks good. Tail light's nice and clean. Right there, there is a gash in the chrome. All right, checking out this interior, absolutely gorgeous. Very, very clean. They definitely took care of this car. It looks like they never had food in it. Smells super fresh. Matte finish on everything. Looks really nice. Upper section, that looks great. Now you can see some light scuffs here, probably from a ring. So you can see that on there. Little fingernail scratches in there. There is a scratch right there. Pretty good one. Overall, that's nice and clean. That bolster looks amazing. Now you do have a little scratch on that piece from getting in and out. A little bit of wear on the stitching. but still all intact, still looks good. Upper section nice and clean. That bottom looks good. This is pretty much on every one I see, there's little scuffs here on that material, that metal. Other than that, looks good. 33,000 miles, nice and clean. Gonna scan through that dash. It's looking good. Got the wood grain, beautiful finish. All those buttons look nice. Center console is super clean. Beautiful car. Upper section looks good. Beautiful wood grain, all the red stitching. That looks really nice. Look in here, a couple light scuffs. Other than that, looks good. Floor mats look amazing. A couple of light scuffs right there. Got the memory seating. Bottom of that seat looks awesome. Same here with that bolster. Nice and clean. You can tell the inside of this is really, really clean. All right, you do have a couple scratches on that back, but the rest of that seat looks perfect. I know it's kind of dark back here, but that looks really good. Very clean back here. Absolutely gorgeous. All the plastic looks really nice.